morning. So today I had hard-boiled eggs and actually just made 2 of them in the sandwich I'm making. I added mustard, light mayo, and I also added some jalapenos that were chopped up and paprika. Do you guys say paprika or paprika? Anyways, I also added some fat-free cheese and it came out to 5 freestyle smart points. My next what I ate today video will have the regular smart points and the freestyle, but today I did this one based off freestyle. So I also had one of those nectarine plum things for a snack. Those are really good. I got at Sam's Club. For lunch I had spring baby mix, a baby bell cheese, a light one, and some onions with pepper and tomatoes, and made a side salad with some lemon as dressing. I was actually pretty full still from my breakfast and my snack, so this lunch is pretty small, but I did have this salad with a miso soup, super delicious, and I also ended up having a yogurt with some Nature Valley granola bars. Well, just one of the bars. If I would have had 2 bars, it would have been 7 points, but we could do 1 and it fits perfectly. So I had that with the Greek yogurt, the banana cream, my favorite. And then for dinner time, I had 2 chicken sausages just by themselves with some broccoli, and all I did was top it off with some mustard, and the broccoli had pepper and of course another cheese because I'm obsessed with these cheeses. And yeah, that was my dinner. It was really delicious. The broccoli got me full. I had actually 2 servings. So right here I had Halo Top Vanilla Bean Ice Cream and Diet Root Beer. And of course, you know what I'm making here, root beer float. And it was really good. And my daughter loved it too. It was her very first root beer float and now she's obsessed. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will talk to you soon. Bye.